Dirty NCB. Dirty NCB. You are dirty people. How much dirty people you are, you cannot believe. मतलब कितना गंदा हो डर्टी एनसीबी, बहुत गंदा हो डर्टी एनसीबी, ठीक है। कान खोल के सुनो, ठीक है। डर्टी एनसीबी, अभी कंगना को अरेस्ट करो। डर्टी एनसीबी, अरेस्ट कंगना। डू यू नो कंगना? यस, अरेस्ट कंगना, क्योंकि कंगना ड्रग लेती थी, ठीक है। कंगना पहले से ही ड्रग लेती थी, ये कंगना वीडियो में बोला भी है कि वो ड्रग एडिक्ट है। ड्रग लेती थी कंगना, ठीक है। कंगना वॉज टेकिंग ड्रग्स, कंगना वॉज कंज्यूमिंग ड्रग्स। हैव यू अंडरस्टैंड? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? Dirty NCB? Dirty NCB, just arrest now Kangana and do that whatever section you have written, right? 27, whatever allegation you have given to Ria, you have to give more than double allegation to Kangana. Have you understood? क्यों? क्योंकि कंगना ड्रग्स प्रोक्योर करता था, ठीक है। ड्रग्स प्रोक्योर करता था मतलब ड्रग्स खरीदता था, ठीक है, और खाता था। हैव यू गॉट? ड्रग्स प्रोक्योर करता था कंगना और ड्रग्स खाता था। मोर टाइम, a lot of time. It's not a small quantity, a large quantity, a high volume of quantity of drugs taken by Kangana. Have you got? Have you understood? Dirty NCB? Dirty NCB, अगर तूने कंगना को अरेस्ट नहीं किया ना तो तेरा डर्टी एनसीबी को बैन कर दूंगा, ठीक है। कंगना को अरेस्ट करना चाहिए, ठीक है। नाउ डर्टी एनसीबी अरेस्ट कंगना, ओके। डर्टी एनसीबी, यू आर फाइंडिंग ड्रग्स। व्हेन यू टेकन ड्रग्स? 2 year before, 3 year before, 5 year before, 6 year before. Okay, not 6 year. 1 month before you have taken drugs or you procure drugs. You are taking, right? Go arrest Kangana, okay? Kangana is in drugs connection. Kangana was in drug addicted. Okay? Have you got? Dirty NCB? And Sushant and Ria case I am talking about. Okay, this guilty is Sushant only, okay. There is Ria is innocent, okay. Ria is not a drug peddler. You cannot tell that drug peddler, okay. You are giving allegation as a drug peddler to Ria, but Ria is not a drug peddler, okay. Have you got? Don't bring some nonsense talk about Ria, okay. Dirty NCB, have you got? Sushant is guilty. डर्टी एनसीबी को पूछा गया, अगर सुशांत तो ड्रग कंज्यूम करता तो कितना होता उसका अ, सज़ा। बोलता उसका मामला तो 1 साल का होता, 6 महीने 1 साल का होता, क्योंकि वो ड्रग कंज्यूम कर रहा था। और बोलता था और जो खरीदेगा तो उसका कितना, बोलते उससे ज़्यादा। अबे झंडू, सुशांत कंज्यूम कैसे करता था? सुशांत खुद खरीदता था, उसके बाद ही कंज्यूम करता था, ठीक है। सुशांत was procuring drug for himself and he was taking drugs for himself. Okay, have you got that things? Everyone knows that Sushant was taking drugs from long before. Have you got? Sushant procured drugs a lot and he taken the drugs a lot. Have you understood? सुशांत इज गुilty. सुशांत का हैबिट था, ठीक है। डर्टी एनसीबी, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? सुशांत का हैबिट था, ठीक है, ड्रग्स लेने का, ठीक है। सुशांत का हैबिट था ड्रग्स लेने का, और प्रोक्योर भी खुद ही करता था, खुद ही पीता था, सब कुछ करता, ठीक है। गांजा खुद ही प्रोक्योर करता था, खुद ही खाता था। Sometime, whenever he was not able to found that ganja, then sometime he told to their servant that can you bring something like that, and servant did sometime innocently. And one day Sushant called to Riya that can you bring that for me, because Riya was in relation with Sushant. That's why Riya did. Have you got? If Riya was not with relation with Sushant, Riya never did. Have you understood what is the meaning of that? Riya did because of Riya was with relation with Sushant. Have you understood? Parents are do something for their son. Father do something with their son. Son do something with their parents because they are in some relation. Have you understood? No one do some unknown person. If someone relation, if someone the close person, if they request something, then they can bring or they can help something. Have you got understand? Dirty NCB? Riya is good. Riya is not involved on that drugs, okay? Riya is good. Riya is innocent. Sushant is guilty. Okay? Dirty Sushant is responsible for that. Only Sushant is responsible for that. Dirty Sushant is guilty. Dirty Sushant गांजा करते रहता था, गर्जा करते रहता था। इसलिए एक दिन रिया ने सुशांत को हेल्प किया था उसके लिए, बिकॉज रिया वॉज विथ रिलेशन विथ सुशांत, जस्ट फॉर सुशांत. Have you got? Riya did just for Sushant. Dirty NCB. Have you got? Riya is good. Riya is innocent. Now, just arrest now Kangna. You want to find some drug cartel. You want to some drug link In Bollywood. Kangana is in Bollywood. Okay. Kangana is in Bollywood. Go and arrest her. Okay. Kangana was drug addicted. Kangana was procuring drug and was consuming drugs. Have you understood? Arrest and do all the allegation to her. She was proper because she was proper. She was taking lot of drugs at a time, and she also told that thing that she taking drugs. And find from her. Do interrogation to Kangana that from where you had gone all these things, from where you have taken the drugs, and what is the peddler for that, and take that peddler and do all those things in here. You can get drugs peddler in Bollywood. Where are you searching? Dirty NCB? Just arrest Kangana. Kangana is in drug addicted. Arrest Kangana. Okay? Kangana is drug addicted. Dirty NCB. We want justice for Ria. Ria is innocent. We want Ria go home safe.